All right, in this video, I'm going to quickly demonstrate the normal workflow. So we already have the system all configured and ready to go, so we don't have to do any of that. What I'm going to do is hop into a terminal and do the bundler exec Jekyll serve. I'm actually adding this -- drafts, which I haven't mentioned yet, but this lets us put in things that are not dated. So I'll show you where that's used. So we'll go and kick that off. And the server's up and running. Great. All right, now I'm hopping to the code. So we normally put stuff in the posts, but in this case, I actually put start in the drafts folder. So I don't know what the title is right now, so I'm just do whatever .markdown, and then do that metadata in the front. So title is going to be something, and the author, this part I do know, so we'll call that Jonathan, and there we go. So now you get to stare at your blank screen and figure out what you want to write. So do the hard work and write it out. I've pre-written it, so we're good there. You don't have to try and wait for me to think. And I'm going to put in that. And I actually know that this is going to be just let's say 4-minute video. All right, so that looks good to me. If I go over here and refresh, we can now see posting to the blog, and we can see all the details there, and that looks good. So that's all good and ready to go. So this right now is in the drafts folder, which means if I actually publish it, it won't show up. So we want to do a couple of things to change this. First off, we can rename it. So we want to make this something like, we actually already have something called posting to the blog, but because we're using the timestamp on things, we can do happy St. Patty's Day to everyone. Posting to the blog, and I can now move this down to the post folder. And yes, I do want to do that. And now we have posted to the blog, and here we go. So that's all good. This is all ready. So we've written the content, put it into the drafts, and then moved it to the post once we were good with it. So that's all good. Now we're going to put all up GitHub desktop. We can see that we've made one change in here with this. And actually what we want to do is, just for organization purpose, we actually want to push this onto a separate branch. So in here we're going to make a new branch called posting to the blog. And so we're now on this separate branch. It just needs to keep things organized. And the comment I'm going to make, new blog post. This isn't particularly good. We might be better to go in more detail, but just for the sake of moving forward. Just do a sanity check and be like, all this makes sense. Yeah, posting to the blog is good. Author is good. Content is good. Commit that. And we're actually going to publish this. So this actually pushes it up to GitHub and makes it publicly accessible. So at this point, we're ready to actually request this be accepted. So we're going to hop over to the pull requests, and we're going to create a pull request. And this is where we're going to say new blog post. This is about blah, blah, blah. And I'm just doing a draft one. That way it doesn't notify everyone. So there we go. That is your workflow. At this point, if you're, let's just blow it up, whatever. So we'll say it's ready for review, and this has now been submitted, and we will wait to see if people are going to pull it.